What's up, guys? Steve here from Cardbreak NL, and we are live. I just said live, but we're good luck right now. Top two names in our Raz right now are taking home two more spots in our main Raz. There's 10 spots in the Jersey Raz right now. Two are already gone, so two more coming up right now. We're live. Good luck. Let's check it out. Here's your list. 11:52, and it is Alex to Justin. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 11:52, 11:52, last and final. There you go, Wayne and Colton, spot 6 and spot 3 done up for you guys. Congrats. You get your last and final timestamp. Last and final, so spot 6 and spot 3 were the lucky ones, and we have 11:52 and 11, just turned 11:53. So congratulations again, spot 6. Wayne, you'll tag in first. Colton, you're second. Thanks again, folks, and good luck on the next one.